Welcome. In this video I will tell you how to use dual telephoto zoom for landscape photos on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So for this video I had to pre-make some sample photos just to show you what the zoom looks like on your phone. But before I show them to you, let me just briefly explain the most useful tips for that. Now, using this phone's zoom, in order to take landscape photos, you should definitely, you should only use either 1x or even wide effect for photos in which you just want to capture as much as possible. So you don't even have to zoom on anything. All you should do is tap right here on this icon and select the effect. Select all of the effects you see right here, and then just choose which one suits you the most in the gallery when you look at the effects. Now, as for the to reach the better effects, you should use zoom levels at around higher than 3.7x for better detail focus. So if you are between 3.7 and 9.4x zoom levels, the phone will automatically switch between the two telephoto lenses with the prism systems installed in this phone for optical zoom without quality loss. And let me tell you that if you're making a photo between 3.7x zoom and 9.4, you should capture mid-range landscape details like trees, hills, and architectural features. I just captured some trees, and this is just a view in the backyard. To use focus, of course, you just have to tap on the object that you want to focus at, and as you can see, this looks like a normal photo, though the details on it looks honestly great, though quite way too smooth in my opinion. As you can see, the camera didn't really capture the details of the plants. If you take a closer look at the leaves, for example, you can clearly see the lack of the richness and the details. They're just too smooth. And also, as I said, take 3 different photos with 3 different effects, or maybe even plus mono if you want to take a mono picture, and then just look at each picture that you've taken and select which one you like the most. Now, if you're using 9.4x zoom or even more, you should focus on distant landscape highlights such as far away mountains, cliffs, or wildlife. In my case, it's just the fence that was behind those trees. For some reason, it's also smoothened. The AI did some job here, you see, but it's barely visible from this point of view. In my opinion, this photo looks the best, as it's kind of too dark, but still in this darkness I somehow manage better to detect some details, like this branch hanging from the top of the photo. In this photo it's also visible, but it just doesn't seem as focused on I wasn't focusing on it, but still, it's just like this image, the brightest one, it clearly displays this branch. On this one I can barely see it. It looks like the part of the fence behind it, and on this photo I think it's got the best contrast between this branch and the fence. So yeah, it's all of this is just a matter of your own preferences and tastes. So yeah, the only thing that you should remember is that you should take at least 3 different photos in advance. Now, you can enable the AI optimization or disable it. As you can see, if you enable it, it will smoothen some distant objects, which is not always what you expect it to do. So for more raw effects, disable it, and also prefer shooting in bright daylight to reduce noise and achieve vibrant, high-quality telephoto landscape photos. As for some additional tips, you can use the grid to enable it. Just tap right here and then select Assistive Grid to enable it. But you don't actually have to. Definitely you should try using it for better seeing the parts of the photo. But the stabilization in this phone works in a way that you don't even have to try hard, because camera really does everything for you. And so even if you have kind of shaky hands, don't worry, the camera will stabilize everything for you. So I think that's all I wanted to share in this video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.